You said that like fucking 2 hours ago. Bye. Go do your things that you have to do. Go in here. The brand. And then this is, I need to burp. Is that okay in the mic? Alright, so.
Now seems like a perfect time to go interview people on 6th Street. I'm scared. Okay.
Spike dropped.
I'd be burping. Why? Purple shoe. Sorry. Like forcing me to spend $50 right now. Sorry.
Reload.
Sorry. Thoughts on burping? Sorry. Sorry.
When they're weak.
Sorry. Oh my god, I keep... Go in here. Peanut butter cup. Peanut butter butt. Peanut cup. Peanut. Wow. Wow! I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry.
One
Sorry.
enemy remaining.
Sorry. 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 I don't want that. I don't want that either. I don't want any of your shit. Sorry. Creamy meat.
So the Neon and
I subbed
the
for
Reyna
good,
were arguing the whole
content.
time.
Sorry. I don't know how to show you. Fuck. I don't want to plug my webcam in because then I have to stand up. Sorry. Listen to this. Ew. Sorry. Can add this thing. That was from the edible. Good boy. It's because I'm moving. Oh. I'll try again tomorrow. I have to burp.
Spike
Oh
planted.
man. Sorry. Yeah, just come. Sorry. Sorry, fuck. Come here. 3, 4.
Spike dropped.
I'd be burping. Why? Or what if I went to a murder and invited all my friends? Ooh.